Hi, I'm Karyna, Chief Product Officer at Clarity. I'm in charge of our different products, such as Grape IDP Intelligent Document Processing and Grape Mind Questioning and Answering RAG platform. For business leaders who invest in AI, it's important to justify the investment. We need to have the clear success metrics, ROE, expectations from the models. When it comes to traditional programming, where main artifact is code, it's easier to predict what output we can get with project implementation. While with AI, where the main artifact is data, it's harder to understand what is wrong and what is right in terms of expectations from the success. Even when we ask the same question with the same prompt, ChatGPT, from time to time we can get different answers, and we human evaluate those answers based on our expertise, previous experience, and something which should be right for one person can be wrong for another person. So what I would recommend here that first of all, as a business leaders, we need to change our approach, how we identify KPIs or success metrics for the project implementation. We can't expect that we will achieve with extraction data from the document 100% of accuracy. It's impossible because you will have a new document and model probably haven't seen before such sample, and it can give you the wrong answer or wrong perception about this document. So here you need to overview the implementation holistically and understand that, for example, even if for expected 10 mandatory for recognition fields you already extracted 8 or 9, it's already more than 80% of automation for your document processing use case. Same goes for the questioning and answering platforms. I, as a human, asking about KPIs from delivery process can expect that answer will be detailed with divided by months, different information. But if I want this, I need to guide model. I need to underline what are the expectations. So we need to dive deep into point of what is prompting, what we can expect from different models, how we can evaluate ROE, and keep close conversation with your AI vendor, trying to understand what is possible, hear what from their practice they could achieve already with different AI projects implementation, brainstorm and try to identify where exactly right now you are lacking either in efficiency or some processes are time consuming, what you can gain to see if you can justify this AI budget that you apply for specific AI implementation project. As we already touched a bit the point of vendors and how to have the clear communication with them, transparent communication, here the second fear, what I hear from time to time, is paradox of choice. Right now we have so many different vendors, AI tools, startups that promise us through different texts on websites or social media that they can reduce a lot of layers of our manual work and automate it with AI agents, with different models implementation. And of course, like if you will go to the supermarket and see a lot of varieties of food that you can buy, it's harder to choose rather than when you have just cucumbers rather tomatoes choice. And same goes with choosing these tools, but the good sign here that all of them mostly subscription based or pay-as-you-go model, and means you can try it and see if it works in your specific technological landscape or setup, if it gives you real benefits and help you to get those expectations that you set up, and then you can decide continue and deep dive or not. So go by iteration to iteration, starting from small pilot, proof of concept, and then scale it with your documents, with your processes, and always have this collaboration close with vendors to review together what results you achieved and provide your feedback. They will hear you and they will support you. So clear, transparent communication, and try small and then scale. So now you are clear about your AI budget, about your expectations from the models and projects, and about what you want to achieve when. Then the question it comes into change management. Your employees have to be ready for AI implementation. They should be same level motivated as you are. And how you can achieve it? First of all, help them to solve skills gap. Identify what AI knowledge are important for the tools that you will implement within organization, and upskill timely your team. Either invite somebody as an AI advisor who can help you identify what exact knowledge your team needs to adapt and upskill, or for example you can also use different material. There are so many different courses on the market, some of them from very well-known organizations, course providers, so they have reviews, they have ratings. Consider it and follow it, try it and see if the syllables of such courses are fulfilling the requirements that you have for your team upskilling. But do it right now. Once you identified what tools you are going to use, support your team, encourage them with upskilling, explaining them why and why exactly your company is needed this AI tool, show them example, and then once they will be empowered by new knowledge, they won't be afraid to use those tools and they will know what they can expect from it. Now we implemented AI. We have saved time, we have less errors, we have less manual work. And the question will arise, what my employees should do? And there is no such statement that you need to fire somebody, but you need to upskill your people and you need to augment some work with AI. So this collaboration between people in AI should go as people and AI assistants hand by hand. And at the same time, people need to understand what their humanic skills they can use and develop internally in organization through your business processes in order to use effectively the time that they will gain with usage of AI. So develop creativity, develop problem solving, develop critical thinking, find the ways how to leverage and use the most of our human skills and capacities in era of AI. The simplest use case, your sales team. If everything is automated, then what they can do? They can spend more time talking to your customers and be more customer oriented, hear what are customers' expectations and deliver tailor-made proposals. So you can achieve more, you can close more deals if your people focus on something that is really for people: collaboration, creativity and problem solving. Data privacy and data security is very important in each and every organization. When it comes in place of using AI, when we provide some information to AI tools, we need to be clear about how this data will be used. We need to have internally some guidelines on how use different AI tools in organization with the corporate data. Include your IT department in each and every strategic initiative where you're implementing AI tools, so that you will sleep tight and don't think about potential risks. So be clear about what and how you are using, what data you put in AI tools, give your employees guidelines on what to avoid and how to use securely the tools, and everything will be fine.